Hey there, welcome to this comprehensive video guide on selecting the best charger for your electric pallet jack battery. Having the right charger is absolutely crucial for maintaining optimal battery performance, maximizing its lifespan, and ensuring the safe operation of your pallet jack. In this video, we'll walk you through all the factors you need to consider when choosing a charger. So, without further ado, let's get started. First of all, it's important to understand that different types of pallet jack batteries require different chargers. Using an incompatible charger can damage the battery. So, it is very crucial to make sure the charger is compatible with the type and voltage of your pallet jack battery, whether it's a lead-acid, lithium-ion, or another type of battery. We have made a detailed video on pallet jack battery types. You can check it out for your reference after this video. Lead-acid batteries typically require a three-stage charging process: bulk, absorption, and float, while lithium-ion batteries often use a current-to-voltage charging profile. You should choose a charger that matches the recommended charging profile for your specific battery type. But that's not enough. There are more factors that need to be considered while selecting a charger. Let's break down one by one. There are three universal rules for choosing a battery charger, which are: the battery's voltage and ampere rating must match the charger's voltage and ampere rating. High-capacity battery will require a high-capacity charger. The charger must offer a fast charging time and generate low heat. Let's discuss them in detail. The voltage and ampere rating of the battery and its charger are the first things to check when choosing a charger. Mismatching these specifications can lead to improper charging, which can damage the battery and potentially create safety hazards. So, where do you find this information? Well, the battery's voltage and amperage ratings are typically printed right on the battery itself or included in the owner's manual. Make sure to refer to this information when choosing a charger. Another important factor to consider is the battery's capacity. This is a measure of the amount of energy a battery can store, and it's typically expressed in amp hours. A higher capacity battery will require a higher amperage charger to charge it efficiently. Moreover, the charging time for your pallet jack battery will depend on the battery's capacity and the charger's amperage rating. Higher amperage chargers will charge the battery faster, but they also generate more heat, which can potentially damage the battery if not managed properly. So, you'll need to strike a balance between charging speed and heat generation. Now, we'll break down the important selection criteria for choosing the best chargers for lead-acid and lithium-ion batteries for electric pallet jacks. So, keep connected. If your electric pallet jack has a lead-acid battery installed, here are some important factors you should consider when selecting the charger. Lead-acid batteries come in different types, such as flooded, absorbed glass mat, and gel cells. Each type has specific charging requirements, so it's important to choose a charger designed for your battery type to avoid overcharging or undercharging. Once you have identified your battery type, now check its voltage rating and charging rate. Lead-acid batteries are available in various voltage ratings, such as 6 volts, 12 volts, 24 volts, and 48 volts. Make sure the charger's output voltage matches your battery's voltage rating. Similarly, the charging rate, measured in amps, should match the battery's capacity. Generally, a charging rate of 10% to 20% of the battery's amp-hour rating is recommended for optimal charging. For example, a 100 ampere-hour battery would require a 10 ampere to 20 ampere charger. Another important factor to consider is the charging mode, or we can say charging algorithm. Look for a charger that employs a multi-stage charging algorithm for your lead-acid battery, which typically includes bulk, absorption, and float stages. This charging process ensures efficient and safe charging while maximizing battery life. Lastly, we will recommend looking for chargers that have some built-in safety features, such as overcharge protection, short-circuit protection, temperature-compensated charging protection, and reverse polarity protection to prevent damage to the battery or charger. Now, if your electric pallet jack has a lithium-ion battery, here are some things you should check when selecting the best charger for your needs. First of all, check the battery chemistry. Lithium-ion batteries come in various chemistries, such as lithium cobalt oxide, lithium manganese oxide, lithium iron phosphate, and lithium nickel manganese cobalt oxide. Different chemistries may have specific charging requirements, so consider a charger that is compatible with your battery's chemistry. When it comes to optimal battery voltage and charging rate, you should consider the following. Lithium-ion batteries typically have nominal voltages of 3.6 volts or 3.7 volts per cell. Make sure the charger's output voltage matches your battery's voltage rating. Similarly, the charging rate that is measured in amps should be compatible with your battery's capacity. For example, a 2000 mAh battery would require a 1 ampere to 2 ampere charger. Along with the battery's optimal voltage and ampere rating, your charger must also employ a specialized charging algorithm for lithium-ion batteries. Lithium-ion batteries typically involve constant current, CC, and constant voltage, CV, charging stages. This charging process ensures optimal charging while preventing overcharging, which can damage the battery. Well, these are the basic considerations. There are some more features that a lithium-ion battery charger should have, which may include, many lithium-ion battery packs come with an integrated BMS, which monitors and manages the charging process. Look for a charger that is compatible with the specific BMS used in your battery pack. Lithium-ion batteries are sensitive to overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. Choose a charger with built-in safety features such as overcharge protection, overtemperature protection, and short-circuit protection to prevent battery damage or potential safety hazards. Alright, we've covered a lot of ground so far, but there's a more crucial factor to consider when choosing a charger for your pallet jack battery: the brand. Not all charger brands are created equal. Just like with any other product, you want to go with a brand that has a solid reputation for quality and reliability. Well-established brands have invested serious time and money into research and development to ensure their products meet industry standards and deliver consistent performance. When it comes to finding the best charger for your electric pallet jack, you can trust the experts at Pallet Jackson. With years of experience in the industry and a commitment to providing top-notch products and services, Pallet Jackson has built a reputation as a reliable source for all your pallet jack and battery needs. Our team of knowledgeable professionals can guide you in selecting the perfect charger that meets your specific requirements, ensuring optimal performance, safety, and longevity for your pallet jack battery. You can call us at 832-239-5393 or email at info@palletjackson.com for one-on-one consultation. We are available Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any feedback, feel free to discuss it in the comment section or directly at the provided contact details. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. See you in the next video.